So how to buy crypto on PayPal. So to purchase crypto on the PayPal app, it's very easy to do. So first things first, once you're on the PayPal app, you'll just want to click on the three lines at the top right here. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this menu page here, and right where the arrow is pointing on screen, you just need to click on crypto. Then once you've done that, it then opens you up to your crypto dashboard. So as you can see right here, there's loads of crypto you can buy, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So for the example of this video, let's click on Bitcoin. And as you can see, we've got the Bitcoin market right here. And to go ahead and buy Bitcoin, you can go ahead and press buy at the bottom. And if you prefer, you can also select to buy a default price as well, such as £20, £50, £100, etc. So for the example of this video, let's say we want £50 worth. And then once you've selected buy, it'll open you up to this page here. So as you can see, since we selected 50, we can go ahead and press continue to go and buy it. Then once you've selected continue, you just need to choose your payment method. So that can either come from your PayPal balance or a debit card if you've got one added. And if you don't have a debit card added, you can also add one right at the bottom here. Then once you've selected your payment method, you'll be brought through to this page here, which just confirms how much you'll be buying the crypto for, along with any relevant fees. So if you're happy with the purchase, you can go ahead and select agree and buy. And there you have it. And you've successfully bought crypto on PayPal. And if you go back to your crypto dashboard, you should now see your new crypto balance from here. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.